Hey guys, so in this video, you're going to learn the actual syntax for the if-else statement. By now, you may have gotten a gist of the if-else statement format. The syntax or format looks something like this. If, test expression, body of if, else, the body of else. In the body of if, you would put a print function or something you want the computer to carry out only if the statement is true. And in the body of else, you'd put what you want the computer to carry out if the statement is false. There are some technicalities to be careful of in the syntax. First, always remember to put a colon after the if condition and after the else. You will get an error if you don't. Second, it's super important to remember to have proper indentation in the if-else statement. If you don't indent properly, you will again get an error. An indent is a big space or tab before the statement to be carried out. Usually, your computer should take care of the indentation for you if you put a colon. But always make sure that there is an indentation before the body of if and the body of else, like this. In the syntax, you can see that there is a colon after the if and else conditions and an indentation before the bodies of if and else. Now that you know how to use the if-else statement, try the activity on the next article.